Good morning, everyone. As you start looking at forming a method and tools team on the Digital Core program, we want to spend the next few minutes discussing how we at Deloitte view the status tracking on large scale SAP S4 HANA implementations. Status tracking on large SAP programs can become very complex, especially because of two reasons. Teams are generally geographically dispersed, and there are several tools where work is managed through all the phases of the project. We would like to discuss this example where we leveraged Power BI as an aggregation tool for status tracking on a massive S4 HANA implementation in North America. Client adapted agile methodology to manage design and build phase using Jira toolset. For test management, Zephyr was used as a primary tool. Deployment was managed using Deloitte's DCUT tool. Last but not the least, client used ServiceNow to manage go-live incidents. Program executives wanted real-time status tracking from Power BI dashboard with no one spending a minute creating PowerPoint status reports. Let us jump into the tool to briefly review some of the key functions and features. On this engagement, only the build, testing, deployment, support phases were reported on Power BI. The development phase reporting includes the percentage completion by the team, the sprint view, burn down, work planning, and rise of W tracking. The testing phase reporting highlights include the percentage completion by the team, tester workload, tests and defects, actual versus planned by the team. Deployment. This covers the overall status of cutover and deployment activities across multiple releases. And finally, the production incident style. This provides a consolidated view of overall tickets and their aging, the priority action items based on the severity. You can also track overall resource loading on project, which helps you in making quick decisions on mobilizing resources to appropriate focus areas. This kind of reporting allowed project managers and leaders to identify risks and take mitigative actions to prevent issues. By Power BI dashboard capabilities, we were able to connect to all the tools that were mentioned. We were able to collate project status for the executives and the teams in real time and consistently with no ambiguity. Our client was able to cut down 4 to 5 FTEs that would be required otherwise in the absence of this reporting tool.